This tutorial is about creating accounts at Fogler Library with the interlibrary loan system. To begin, start from the home page, Fogler homepage, scroll down to the coin that says interlibrary loan, click on interlibrary loan. Once you find the interlibrary loan page, you want to choose the for first time user just below the access my ILL account. There's some information here about creating the account, some things that you'd probably want to consider, and on copyright and usernames. You can use anything that you want for a username. There are a couple of provisos that we'll talk about in a second on creating your username. So once you read the information, click on the first time users, click here, and then fill in the fields on, this is the new user registration form. All of the fields that have the asterisks, the red asterisks beside them, are required fields. The main card barcode number is the number on your main card that has 13 or 14 digits. You can use any email address that you want. Most individuals are using their main.edu, however, but if you want to use Gmail, Yahoo, another, that is fine. You can have your mobile phone. You can receive texts by, if you want to, from us by filling in the mobile phone line here. It is not required on that. To use the mobile phone, do put in spaces between the characters. So between the area code and then your number works best. Continuing down here, scroll down through, choose your status, whether you're a faculty member, undergraduate, or a graduate student, and then choose department. That's merely for statistical purposes. If you want others to use, or if you want to allow others to pick up material for you from the circulation reserve desk, place their names here so that we will have that. Now, in choosing a username, you can use, a lot of people do use their first name dot last name, or I know that oftentimes people use their email address. You can use your first name dot last name, but as the note here says, if you use the @ symbol, the ampersand, as part of your email, or as part of your username, it does throw an error message. That we would need to fix that. Choose a password. Any password. It is case sensitive, but there aren't any restrictions as far as the length of the password. And then here, for scrolling down further, if you want to receive emails from us or the text messages, I say you can choose what you would want to receive as messaging from us. And then once you fill everything in, submit the information here to us. When we review your account, then an email will go to you in the email that was listed here in your form, confirming that you have created an account. And that's all there is to creating an account with our system.